It's a lovely Friday afternoon. I thought I would actually show you just the cars that I've got lying about here in the backyard. Starting with the one that sort of kicked it all off for me. The Blueberry. The first car that I took to the track, a 2006 Ford Fiesta. It was a one owner, only had 65,000 Ks on it when I bought it, and it's actually my daily driver. I use it every day as my little work car, packed full of my car detailing supplies. And I realised that I'm emotionally attached to this car way more than I probably should be. I do like this car. This one you already know, it's my crusty little Hyundai XL race car. Next to it is one of the cars that came with it when I first bought these things. When Brad sold them to me, there was 3 XLs. One was a 4-door sedan with a single cam. That's gone. And I've still got another half an XL sitting here. That's the one that we rescued from the Pemberton Volunteer Fire Brigade. They were going to chop it up with the Jaws of Life. Oh, you son of a... I've since chopped it up with an angle grinder. Now, as I'm heading over to the new pit lane, which is supposed to be for my XL, I have actually acquired another Hyundai. This one. It's a Hyundai Terracan. It's a 2003 model manual 3.6 litre petrol Highlander. It's the top spec with all the leather and fancy pants gear in it. And I bought this manual so that essentially my daughter can learn how to drive. I had hoped she might like to have the Blueberry, that's a little manual as well. But having some issues with this one, hence why it's up on blocks on pit lane. Might have to illuminate you on that subject a little bit later. Okay, the next one's on the driveway. So through the gaudy red gate, and I'll save the one in there for last. But you may have spotted this in some of my videos before. It's a 1974 Volkswagen. Whew, birds flying everywhere. Volkswagen Combi. She's a little bit rough around the edges, but it doesn't mean we love it any less. It's been in the family for an awfully long time. I think my wife was about 9 or 10 when my father-in-law bought this originally. And this is going to end up being a project car, possibly featured on this channel one day. donate to the Rescue My Combi Fund, just go to www.rescuemycombifund and give me money. That doesn't actually exist, by the way. Oh, it might exist. If somebody else wants their Combi rescued, you could give them some money, I suppose. Now, up the driveway into the shed. Ah, what a doozy. This is where my most prized possession resides. This was my very first car. It's a 1974 Volkswagen Beetle that my mum brought, brand new. Hasn't been driven for a long time, unfortunately. Oh, let's turn some lights on. Boom. It has been way too long since this has seen the light of day, and well, I'm hoping to get behind the wheel again of this thing before too long. Registered and back on the road. I think it's been, Christ, it's more than 15 years since this has been licensed and driving, so about time I did something about that. So perhaps we shall see a bit more of this one. There's one more. Hang on.
It's my mother.
Oh, sorry, she's talking to her mother. I've got one more left. Actually, it's not mine, but I belong to my wife, so hence, therefore, the car belongs to me. And that's our... Shut up! Bloody roosters. Nissan Patrol. It's a 2000. It's the GU in the TI spec. So again, we've gone for the top of the range. He's going to do that all the rest of the afternoon now, isn't he? Ruin all my videos. Yeah. Anyway, I'll show you a bit more about this. This is a project of itself as well, but Kai should probably do this one. It towed us all around the country. We pulled a caravan, did the full lap with this, and it has been an awesome family wagon for us. So anyway, that's all my cars. Sign off again because the rooster bloody interrupted. Thanks for watching. That's all my cars. I might show you in a bit more detail some of the stories about why and how I got these cars, and a little bit more up close and personal with them. So stay tuned. I might show you some more videos. So stay tuned, and I might show you some more videos soon. Cheers.